Hello, this is a quick video to show you how to name your note cards when you're taking notes in NoodleTools and why the names matter. So here I have my NoodleTools project. It is about Nelson Mandela and his speech, his inaugural speech. I have a guiding question. I have a bunch of sources, and yippee, look at me. I have taken 16 notes from this one source alone. I am rocking. I go to my note cards. Here they all are. Doesn't that look cool? I've got, not only do I have my research question, I've read so much, I have a thesis. Now, I'm ready to make my outline. I've even thought about it. I know how I'm going to organize my paper. I'm ready to make an outline, but oh no, look, what goes where? I've got every single note card with a separate, unique title. Inaugural Address 1, Inaugural Address 2. I know where it came from, but I have no idea what's in the note card. Now, yeah, sure, I can do this. I can open it up, and I can see the information that's in there. I can, do that for every single one and figure out where it needs to go. Okay? But, so here I am. I'm ready to put it in there. Even if I do, look, okay, I know where this one, what's in this one, and I decide, okay, it's going to go here. It goes here. And this one, what does it say? Okay, and this one goes here. You have to do this slow. It still doesn't tell me anything, right? I know my outline. I know what's going to be there, but it doesn't tell me how I'm building my argument because I have no idea what this note card says. I have no idea what this piece of evidence says. So, let's look at it done a different way. Here's the same project, same sources. Look, 16 note cards, rockin' and rollin'. Tabletop view. Look at all my note cards. But in this example, each note card has a title that tells me what's in the note card. So when I go to do my outline and I drag my things over, it kind of tells me what is the argument that I'm building that proves my thesis. He uses this imagery in his inaugural speech, speaking to the South African people. He uses this imagery, and I can remember what it says, in this topic. He uses these informations in all these other topics, and it gives an idea of the evidence I'm using to build my argument and the structure of my paper. And then when my teacher has a look at my outline, they have a clue. They know what I'm saying. They don't have to say, oh my goodness, address number 1, wonder what that piece of evidence says. And that's why you want to give each note card a unique title that also explains what's in the note card. What is that piece of evidence saying?